guys, welcome back. I just opened the door and it's all, I can open it. That little guy on the window. So yeah, there he is. He's not really doing anything. My mom's back. So yeah, he's back again. He let me get real close to him again like he did last time, which was yesterday. I think he's gonna scare the crap out of my mom. Yeah, Mom. I have a huge video of it sitting right here.
Does it hurt?
Right here.
Because I just was walking up
Yeah.
and it like won't move.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Scared the crap out of me.
And then yeah, see, look. See?
No, don't.
I'm not
Don't get
doing
close.
anything.
It's just
I
gonna
know.
hurt itself more.
And yeah, it was right there yesterday. I was trying to bring my
That's
head.
the same one David was talking about this morning. It's hurt somewhere.
It's
It
wing
doesn't
probably.
wanna fly for some reason. Sorry, little pigeon.
I have like 2 videos of it too. It's really cool. I got like I was like that close to touching it just to see what it would do. Just look at my finger.
And they won't hurt you, but
Yeah, I
they're
know.
gonna act all crazy because he's scared. And they're dirty and they carry a lot of disease.
I know.
Remember that, okay? Come on.
I know.
Don't touch it, babe. Wash your hands if you even got that close to it. Tapping on your window.
He was like, come on, let me in. See, this is my window right here. That Brady likes my room, obviously. Yesterday he liked that. Now he likes that. Are you recording too?
I'm turning the news on. I was just listening to the truck going.
Well, yeah, that's the end of the video. Please subscribe and like the video. Comment if you comment. I'll try to comment back. Shout out to Gabe Vlogs or Gaming Gabe. Shout out to him. Hi Blake, hi Gabe. Hi Dad.